Here's how I take my own menswear photos.
So it all starts with the remote shutter. I got this from Amazon. This is the transmitter. If I press down, I'm able to take photos. Pretty simple. And then from there, I'm making sure that I turn on the receiver. I press down and I hold it, pops on. And if I'm indoors, I usually shoot with manual, so I can get the color fidelity and stuff. And then if I'm outdoors, I either shoot with portrait or landscape. Landscape if I'm doing full body, and portrait if I'm doing more headshots. And I have a stock lens for this Canon Rebel T3, but I prefer using this 85mm lens. It has autofocus, so I can just press down halfway and then press down the rest of the way to focus in and take the shot. But the 85 is pretty much all I need to get the types of menswear photos that I like to post on Instagram and the rest of social media. And here's what they look like.